Hey Linux Explorers, welcome back to Fix My Linux, your go-to channel for Linux tips and tricks. Today we'll be learning how to completely uninstall Visual Studio Code from your Ubuntu system. Whether you installed it via the apt package manager or the snap package manager, let's dive right in. First method, uninstalling vscode apt method. If you installed vscode using the apt package manager, removing it is super simple. Just follow these steps. 1. Open your terminal. 2. Type the following command and press Enter key. Sudo apt remove code. 3. Enter your sudo password when prompted. Remember, Linux won't show the password as you type. It's a security feature. 4. Approve the removal by pressing the Y key when asked. And that's it. VS Code is now removed from your system. You can confirm it's gone by checking your Ubuntu app menu or by typing code in the terminal. If nothing opens, mission accomplished. Second method, uninstalling VS Code snap method. If you installed VS Code using the snap package manager, the process is just as easy. 1. Let's list all installed snap packages with sudo snap list. 2. Now to remove VS Code, simply type sudo snap remove code. 3. Enter your sudo password when prompted. 4. To confirm the removal, run sudo snap list. And as you can see, VS Code is gone from the snap package list. And there you have it, Linux Explorers. That's how you can quickly uninstall VS Code from Ubuntu. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fix My Linux for more Linux tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Happy Linuxing!